In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Group Policy Editor on your Windows computer. This is a handy tool for making advanced changes to your system settings that are otherwise not easily accessible. It gives you the power to configure many different components of your system, all within a user-friendly interface. Whether you're looking to adjust security settings, manage software updates, or tailor the experience for different users, the Group Policy Editor is where you can do it all. To begin, look at your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see the Windows search bar. Click on it. If you're not too familiar with your Windows search bar, think of it as a fast-track lane to finding anything on your computer. This is where you can type in various commands or search for files and applications. Now that you've clicked on the search bar, it's time to move forward. You need to search for Run in this bar. Simply type the word Run and then hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Almost instantly, you'll see a small window pop up titled Run. This is where you can execute various commands by directly typing them into this space, giving you a quick and powerful way to access numerous Windows settings. The next step is where the magic happens. In the Run window, you'll want to type in Gpedit.msc. Now, typing this command is crucial because this is the specific shortcut that opens up the Group Policy Editor in Windows. Once you've input Gpedit.msc, hit Enter. What happens next is that the Group Policy Editor interface will open up, offering you a whole new level of control over your system configurations. And there you have it. Accessing the Group Policy Editor is a straightforward task when you know where to start, and once you're in, the possibilities are vast. Keep in mind, however, that caution is advised when making changes in the Group Policy Editor because improper configurations can lead to system issues. If you're unsure about any setting within the editor, it's always a good idea to do a bit of research or consult with IT professionals to avoid any potential system disruptions. Thank you for joining me in this quick and informative guide on accessing the Group Policy Editor. Whether you're a home user or someone managing a larger network, understanding how to reach and utilize this powerful tool is an invaluable skill. Don't hesitate to explore responsibly and harness the full potential of your Windows operating system. Keep watching for more tips and guides to help you get the most out of your technology.